Hi friends, myself Chandan Mohanty, and in this video I will be discussing about SIEVES and official standards for powder. There are many standards of powder, many grades of powder, which are coarse powder, moderately fine powder and very fine powder. So on what basis these powders are categorized, we will discuss. Along with that, I will tell two important terms. What is SIEVE number and what is nominal mass aperture size. So if you will see, for a particular sieve, a particular number is assigned. On what basis those numbers are given? Like we are having sieve number 10, sieve number 20, 40, 60, 100, 120. On what basis those numbers are given, we will discuss. And what is this nominal mass aperture size, also we will discuss. So these two important terms, sieve number and nominal mass aperture size. So sieve number indicates number of masses per linear length of 1 inch or 2.54 centimeter. So this is a sieve. In this sieve, many holes are there. So sieve number is indicating how many holes or how many masses are there in 1 inch or 2.54 centimeter, because we know 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeter. So sieve number 10 means in 1 inch 10 meshes or holes will be there. Sieve number 60 means in 1 inch 60 holes will be there. So if sieve number is increasing, number of holes per linear length of 1 inch also will increase gradually. That means higher the sieve number, the mesh size will be small or less. So if a powder is passing through sieve number 10 and if one more powder is passing through sieve number 60, the powder which is passing through sieve number 60 will be more fine than the powder which is passing through sieve number 10. So that is sieve number means in 1 inch how many holes are there. Then nominal mesh aperture size. It indicates distance between two adjacent wires. In a sieve, there are number of wires are there. The distance between two adjacent wires, two nearby wires, is called as nominal mesh aperture size. So sieve number means how many holes are there in 1 inch. Nominal mesh aperture size means the distance between two adjacent wires. So these are the official grades of powder: coarse powder, moderately fine powder, and very fine powder. Now, how they are categorized? So if you see this table, second column is sieve through which all particles must pass. And for these sieve numbers, these are the nominal mesh aperture size. Means for sieve number 10, nominal mesh aperture size is 1.7 millimeter. And sieve through which not more than 40% particle pass. And these are the sieve numbers. And these are the nominal mesh aperture size for these sieve numbers. So I will tell with one example. Suppose this is coarse powder. A powder will be called as coarse powder if all the particles of that powder is passing through sieve number 10, whose nominal mesh aperture size is 1.7 millimeter, and not more than 40% of particle passes through sieve number 44, whose nominal mesh aperture size is 355 micrometer. That powder will be called as coarse powder. In the same way, it has been defined here. How to define coarse powder? A powder of which all the particles pass through a sieve with nominal mesh aperture size 1.7 millimeter. See in this table, means sieve number 10, and not more than 40% through a sieve with nominal mesh aperture size of 355 micrometer. See in this table, 355 micrometer means sieve number 44 is called as coarse powder. Similarly, we can also define other grades of powder. For example, moderately fine powder. How we can define? A powder of which all the particles passes through a sieve of nominal mesh aperture size 355 micrometer, means sieve number 44, and not more than 40% of particle passes through sieve with nominal mesh aperture size 180 micrometer, means sieve number 85 is called as coarse powder. So if you remember this table, all these powders you can define very easily, means through which all the particles are passing, what is that nominal mesh aperture size, and through which not more than 40% of the particle is passing, and what is their nominal mesh aperture size. So these are the various official standards for powder. Then how one can define this very fine powder? A powder of which all the particles is passing through with a sieve of nominal mesh aperture size 125 micrometer, means sieve number 120, is called as very fine powder. Because for this fine powder and very fine powder, these datas are not specified, so only these first two columns are there. So I hope you understood this concept of official standards for powders, and what is sieve number and what is nominal mesh aperture size. If any doubt is there, please ask me in the comment box. Definitely I'll reply to your comments, your questions, your queries. So if you like my video, please press the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. We'll meet with one more video soon. Bye.